Hey guys, Kelly here with Luminary. We just launched our 3 new detail brushes, so I want to go through a little bit of brush care with you guys. So when you first get your brushes, you're going to take the cap off, gently pull this little plastic tubing off, and be careful not to grab the bristles as you do that or you'll pull them out of the brush. So they're just a little stiff. If you want to give them a quick care when you first get them is you can take some alcohol or you can take acetone, but in this case I'm grabbing some alcohol and I'm just going to kind of twirl it in the liquid. Just kind of rub it around, and that's pretty much all you need to do, if that, when you first get your brush. And just be really gentle when you're pulling through that lint-free wipe so you don't pull the bristles out. So the next thing that I want to show you is a brush that I've been using, and I left it sitting out. So it got a little hard and it has some gel on it. So this time, instead of using alcohol, I'm going to use acetone, which is perfectly safe for these brushes. They are synthetic. So I'm going to give this a couple of pumps just to bring some of the acetone to the top of my bottle and just roll it around in the acetone, just so it kind of gets saturated and that gel just starts to disintegrate. And give it a little bit of a wipe. And then we will do that one more time. The gel isn't quite off all the way. So just roll it around. And see the bristles start to separate a little bit in there, and give it a gentle pull through that lint-free wipe and you should be good to go. So you can use this whenever you need to clean your brush, or when you're finished with a client, go ahead and do that and put it away and you're good to go for your next.